I'm Dr. Kelly Dennis in Atlanta, Georgia at Peach Valley Dental, and I'd like to take a few minutes to talk to you about mouth guards. Traditionally, mouth guards have been used for athletes in sports. You want to be able to protect your teeth. There's lots of opportunities for elbows to faces, faces to ground, faces to helmets, all kinds of things where a fracture of a tooth is possible. But did you know that most adults could benefit from a mouth guard, whether it's a hard one or a soft one, at some point in periods in their lives? Let's first talk about what it looks like, because you're like, well, I don't want to wear a mouth guard that's got a thing sticking out like that, No, that's not what they look like. They come in, you can get them in a rainbow of colors, you can get them, they have them for sports teams, you can get whatever color your school is, you can get them in that color. But this is the kind that we fabricate here in the office. It's clear. It is custom made to fit exactly your teeth, and it can be worn day or night. Most people choose to wear it during the night to deal with the habit of grinding or clenching of the teeth. The reason you want to wear a mouth guard or night guard, because people tend to wear them at night, is to protect your teeth. It does not fix the habit of the grinding or the clenching. This is an in the meantime, until you are able to alleviate that involuntary response of grinding and clenching. Let's protect your existing teeth in the meantime. Grinding and clenching without a guard can do several things to your existing teeth. One is wear. And you would be surprised how significant enamel against enamel can wear away. Once the enamel is gone because of your grinding or clenching, it then leads to sensitive teeth, which, when it's generalized, because most people don't grind or clench in one specific area, it becomes a problem because you can't treat every tooth. So then you become a candidate who uses products like Sensodyne. Another thing that can happen as a result of grinding or clenching is recession of the gums. And what recession of the gums is when the gum moves above or below the area where it should be on the tooth, therefore leaving the tooth exposed when it should be covered. Again, leading to sensitivity and pain in some cases. And that area of exposure is now more subject to decay. This little plastic guard that takes no time to make, no effort, no anesthesia, just an impression, can help you out in ways that you aren't even aware. Because in most cases, you're not aware that you're doing the grinding and clenching. It's only until you sit in the chair and someone asks because they see evidence of the grinding and the clenching in the mouth. Where we start before we even get there, in terms of one of the things that grinding and clenching produces or results in, is soreness in the facial muscles, in the area of the jaw joint on either side. Have you ever gotten up in the morning and went to open your mouth and went like this? That's usually because you've been working that muscle all night long by grinding or clenching. Now, I've used the word clenching several times while I've had this discussion, and a lot of people are like, I don't think I do that. They know what grinding your teeth looks like because somebody has told them. You can hear it. But clenching is just holding the teeth together in a bite with your mouth closed. At rest, your teeth don't touch. But if you're clenching, you're using those muscles at a time when you shouldn't be. And all of that extra stress, I like to use the analogy when you have worked out and you did squats for a half an hour during your workout, that next day you're going to be sore. The same thing with clenching and grinding. You're using muscles that should be at rest. What the mouth guard does is it allows that joint to bounce on something that's cushioned. So that's a brief summary on night guards or mouth guards, their benefits and their uses. If you're not sure whether you need a mouth guard or a night guard, give us a call or check us out on our website at peachvalleydental.com or follow us on Instagram. We're here in Atlanta, Georgia. The phone number is 404-254-5196. We'll be happy to meet your needs.